In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to pick a ready-made journey, and what to keep in mind so your automated emails run smoothly. First, sign in to your Mailchimp account and head to your dashboard. From there, open the automations area. This is the home for customer journeys, Mailchimp's tool for building automated flows that send the right message at the right time. If you're new to automations, think of this space as your control room for triggers, delays, and emails that fire without you having to lift a finger. Inside automations, choose Build from Scratch. Even though you're starting from scratch, you'll still have access to guided options. This approach puts you in the customer journey builder and sets you up to choose a structure that matches your goal. Next, select Choose Flow Template. Mailchimp provides a library of pre-built journeys that cover the most common use cases. Templates save time and help you avoid missing key steps, especially if you're still learning how triggers and actions fit together. Browse the template library and pick a template you like. You'll see options geared toward different objectives: onboarding new subscribers, re-engaging inactive contacts, recovering abandoned carts, and more. Look for the one that best matches your immediate goal and the audience you plan to target. You can always customize the timing and content later, so focus on choosing the right overall framework. For this walkthrough, select the Welcome New Contacts template. This is a great starter flow that greets people as soon as they join your list and sets expectations about what they'll receive. It's a proven way to boost engagement early and get subscribers familiar with your brand's voice. When you're ready, click Use this flow. Mailchimp will open the journey in the builder where you'll see the trigger, the path your contacts follow, and placeholders for emails. From here, you can review each step, adjust the timing, and tailor the content to your audience. Before you turn anything on, double check your sending address, subject lines, and any personalization fields to ensure everything looks correct. One important note: some journey features and advanced branching require a premium plan. If you see an upgrade prompt, that's normal. You can still explore the layout, and if your strategy depends on those features, consider upgrading so you can publish the full experience. That's it. Your Mailchimp automation is set up using a reliable template or size, ready for your finishing touches and testing.